Let us understand the concept of indemnity with the help of examples. But before I proceed, can you tell me what is the meaning of indemnity? Indemnity means to compensate or to make good the loss. So if you are promising to compensate the other party, it is nothing but a contract of indemnity. You're telling the other party, don't worry, in case you suffer loss, I am there, I will pay for it. It is a contract of indemnity. I'm sure you must be thinking about insurance contracts, but wait, let us discuss the definition and I'll come to insurance contracts. We will discuss that in detail later, not now. So if I promise to compensate the other party, we have entered into a contract of indemnity. Now let's say that the government of India sent X to the Cambridge University for further studies. So they have sent X for further studies to some foreign country. All expenses paid by the government. Now don't you think that if the government is spending so much on X, they will want X to come back and work for the government, to give the government some advantage of that degree of spending so much on training X. So the government asks X to work for the government for some time. X promises that I will return and I will work for the government for 3 years. Okay, I repeat the example, pay attention. Government has sent X to Cambridge University for further studies. X promises that I will return back and serve the government for 3 years. And if I don't, then I will pay compensation. Now what is happening in this case? X is promising to compensate the government for any loss that the government suffers because of X not coming, working, giving back the benefit. This is a contract of indemnity. Now going one step further, the person who promises to compensate or the person who promises to make good the loss is known as the indemnifier. What do we call him? He is known as the indemnifier. I'll just clear this so that you can read the word clearly. The person who promises to compensate is known as the indemnifier. And the person whose loss is made good, the one whom we compensate, is known as the indemnity holder. So person who promises to compensate is known as the indemnifier. The person to whom we are promising, the person whose loss will be made good, is known as either indemnified or the indemnity holder. Let us understand this concept with the help of 2 more examples. I want that you should understand indemnity very thoroughly before we go to the definition. So one more example.